Looking for paving ideas for your garden path? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of hardscaping. We'll be unveiling the top 5 paving ideas to transform your garden path into a harmony of beauty and functionality. Stay tuned as we explore the top 5 paving ideas for your garden path. First up, we have the timeless classic, brick paving. Brick paving not only stands the test of time due to its incredible durability, but it also infuses a warm, inviting ambiance to any garden path. Brick paving offers a classic aesthetic that never goes out of style. Next, consider the natural elegance of stone slabs. Their unique and attractive qualities make them a stellar choice for paving. They blend seamlessly with the garden's environment, enhancing its natural beauty. Stone slabs, the perfect choice for those seeking a natural and elegant garden path. For a more rustic look, consider gravel paving. This style is versatile, adaptable to various garden themes. Gravel's intriguing texture can enhance your garden path's appeal, infusing it with an earthy charm that's hard to resist. Gravel paving adds a delightfully rustic touch to any garden path. For a modern twist, why not try concrete pavers? Their durability is a testament to their popularity. They also provide a sleek, contemporary aesthetic that can transform your garden path into a stylish walkway. Concrete pavers, a durable and modern choice for your garden path. Lastly, for a softer touch, consider wood mulch. The delicate cushioning underfoot is hard to resist, and its warm, natural aesthetic can easily enhance your garden path's charm. Wood mulch, a soft and inviting choice for your garden path. So, those are the top 5 paving ideas for your garden path. Whether it's the rustic appeal of brick paving, the natural elegance of stone slabs, the versatility of gravel paving, the modern simplicity of concrete pavers, or the organic charm of wood mulch, each option has its own unique benefits. Consider which one harmonizes best with your garden's ambiance. Remember, the perfect garden path is just a paving decision away. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and ideas.